Hello wonderful people, my name is Vasily and I am a iOS developer. So today we are going to continue following our dream, right? To become best iOS developer, right? So if you're watching this video, probably you already have enough motivation, right, to start learning something new. Okay, so this video will be about what do we need to prepare? What do we need to prepare to start writing iOS apps? So about my experience, 2 words. Okay, 15 words. I'm working as a iOS developer something around 7 years, and in this video I'm not going to share with you to create a full tutorial. Sorry, I don't have enough time to create very good structured videos. I just turn on this wonderful camera and start talking. So yeah, this is how I regularly record videos. Sorry if you're waiting for something else. Maybe one day I will have more time. Okay, so what we are going to talk about? What do we need to start writing iOS apps? First of all, we need Mac. Okay, if you know it, okay, hold on. No worries, I know, you get it. But to write any iOS application, you need Mac. If you have nothing for right now, I suggest to buy Mac Mini on M1 processor. So this is the most cheapest, if we can say word cheap in terms of Apple computers, right? So this is cheapest solution. You just need to buy Mac Mini on M1. Oh, you can buy used. And probably on Amazon you can find, I remember when I tried to find something, the price was something around $500 or $600 for refurbished. So, I mean, used. So probably this is a good deal. I think so. And M1 processor is a game changer. It's very cool. Yeah, right now we are waiting for M2. It will be much more better, but we want to start today. We want to start learning. We want to start writing code, iOS code, and we need Mac. So first, we need Mac. Second, we need Xcode, right? Let me try to switch to another view. Yep, and let's try to find Xcode. So Xcode. Xcode download. Oh, of course, I made a typo, but it's okay. So yeah, like a first link, and you can find how to download Xcode. Like you can go to the website or open App Store and download it. Yes, this is the first. This is second. So first you need Mac. Second, Xcode. Developer. About Apple developer account. Just to start, you do not need it, right? I mean, you need it only if you, as I correctly remember, sorry guys, I always have Apple developer account. So from my first day when I started writing iOS code. So, but as I correctly remember, to run applications locally on your machine using simulator, you need nothing. You do not need Apple developer account. So let's repeat. I think you will learn this list. You need Mac Mini. You need Xcode, and you do not need Apple developer account. Okay. Next. So where to find correct information, right? So probably we can use developer apple.com. For example, let me try to find something. For example, SwiftUI tab view. Right? So I can find, yeah, I can find tab view, and probably here we have even examples, right? How well it looks like. We can just copy, paste. Oh, I'm sorry. Yep. So we can use Apple Developer for our resource, right? But the problem that when you start, you do not need that words. What words? Tab view. What is tab view? Like navigation view. What is navigation view? Right? So, and here in appledeveloper.com, we can find something like human interface guideline. Right? Human interface guidelines. Let me make this screen bigger. Okay, probably this little bit better. So right now we can click here. We have something. And for example, let's start with patterns onboarding. I do not remember, like last time when I clicked somewhere, it was a lot of time ago. For example, I want to find how tab view is looking, right? So overview. Okay, maybe foundations, maybe layout. Let's try to find it. What is layout, right? And where is a tab view? Where this is? Okay, it's not here. It's not here. We are still trying to find where is the tab view. Can we use search? No. Tab view. Okay, here we do not have tab view. Right? Let's try to find something else. I mean, right now we want to talk about tab view, right? I started with tab view and you want to find it. How it is looks like, right? So answer should be here, somewhere here. I remembered I used it at the beginning to find this specific word. For example, I want to implement tab view, right? But I do not know what is tab view. Or I want to implement that element with buttons, I click and something switch, right? I know how it looks like on my phone. I used lots of applications, of course, from Apple, right? I used Apple Store, I use other applications, right? So, and I know how elements look like, but I need names. I need names of them. Right to left, materials, motion, materials. Tab view, no, interesting. Okay, can we use like this? Tab view, human interface guideline. Oh. Yeah, so it was in components. I was near. I mean, right now I'm looking at updated, at fresh design of this portal. Previously it was different, and right now you can see. Oh, that's what I need. I need like a bottom navigation bar. When I click on it, like all of this page, like right, all of these views, they will be changed, right? Yep. And right now I found what is it? This is tab bar, right? Tab bar, and then you can see tab views, similar component in macOS and iOS. So again, using human interface guidelines, you can find names, words, what to Google, what to find, right? Example with tab view. I know like elements, how it is looking on my phone, but I do not know name of this component. And to find out how to code it, how to implement it, I need that specific name. So I opened human interface guidelines. I found that these elements named tab bar, and right now I can start using tab bar. Yes, you will find that tab bar. To use tab bar, you also can implement tab view in SwiftUI. They are connected, so you will find it. But this is a place where you can find right words, what to Google. Okay, so let's repeat our list. We need Mac or Mac Mini. I suggest Mac Mini. Then we need Xcode. Then we do not need Apple developer account right now, just to start. Then we can use our main source of knowledge, Apple developer.com, developer.apple.com, right? Where we can use HIG, Human Interface Guidelines, where we can find right words, name of the elements, and then we can find these elements in the same portal, how to implement. Also, if it is not working, you always can use Stack Overflow, right? So this is another source, Stack Overflow. Oh my god, what with my English? So here at Stack Overflow, for example, Swift. Oh, tab bar. For example, right? I am not robot. Okay, I will try. It's very complicated. Yeah. So here we can find lots of answers on our questions. To swim here and Stack Overflow, you will need some skills, but you will get it very soon, because lots of answers are here. Like, just plug and play. When you do not want to read normal documentation that I'm not suggested, you can use Stack Overflow. So, let's repeat our list. I want you to remember, you need Mac, right? First, you need Mac or Mac Mini. Then you need Xcode. Then you do not need Apple developer account, right? Then you can find your main source of knowledge will be app developer.apple.com, right? Where you can find name of the visual components and how to implement them. So, yep. Then, 5. We can use Stack Overflow to get more information, to get more knowledge, right? Regularly, you just write, okay, how to implement a tab view in SwiftUI. Oh my god, sorry. Evening, and my English is not working. Yep, for example, blah blah blah. Yeah, I mean, right now it's not so great. Maybe it is better to use Google search. It will be more accurate. But this is another source of knowledge. And last very important part. So, not last. Also, you need to pick language and framework. So I already recorded 2 videos. First video about language, what to pick, Objective-C or Swift. You can use both, but short answer, Swift. And second question, second video, what framework, what UI framework you should use, UIKit or SwiftUI. You can check that video. I will put links. Of course, you know where I am going to put them. So you can pick. I suggest to pick SwiftUI. This is short answer. So let's repeat our list. You need Mac or Mac Mini or MacBook. So Apple computer, right? I suggest M1 Mac Mini because it's cheaper just for start. Then you need Xcode, it's free, you can download it. Then you do not need Apple developer account, right? just to start. You can run all your applications directly on your machine locally. Then you have to use Apple developer account. Oh my god. You have to use appledeveloper.com resource for your main knowledge, where you can find name of the visual components, right? And you can find how to implement that visual components, right? Then you can use Stack Overflow, this wonderful website, to find more answers on your specific questions. Probably your question already there, already in Stack Overflow. To write correct request, you need words, and words where you can find? Yes, at developer.apple.com using human interface guideline part. When you click on this blog, you can find correct words. Yup. Then 6, right? 6. Woo. You need to pick language and a framework, UI framework. Short answer: Swift plus SwiftUI. Swift is a language, SwiftUI is a framework. Yup. And I think it will be last. Okay? Last. 7. You need to start writing your application. What? What to do? No, it's not a problem, right? So, we can open our wonderful resource. You know, YouTube, right? Of course you know about it. I expect you spent so much time there. So, oh, that's cool. I already logged out, and you cannot see that I'm looking only on videos with cats. So, let me try to find it. I want to find a full course, right? 100%. It is here. Remember about language and framework, Swift and SwiftUI. That is important to make this request. So, SwiftUI, probably we can skip writing Swift word as a language, because SwiftUI means that you are going to use Swift language, not Objective-C. I'm not sure is it actually possible to mix I think no, it's not possible to mix Objective-C and SwiftUI in the same page, in the same class, so probably you can find some construction. Oh, this is a different topic, I'm sorry. So, SwiftUI course. Oh, first app, right? And, woo, we have so many results. And what I suggest? I suggest to pick something like a year ago, maybe maximum 2 years ago, right? So it should be fresh, like 2021 is a good year, right? Not older, because SwiftUI, it is changing and lots of problems that was a year before. Right now they are fixed, so, and they may have some difference. So I suggest to pick as freshest course as possible, right? And you will pick any of this video, like, for example, like this, right? It's like something around 3 hours. Yep. And just repeat everything. Ignore if you cannot understand. Just make a full application. Repeat everything from Paul, right? If you will pick this video, make it work. Yes, if you have time, you can go to the developer apple.com or Stack Overflow to find more information how this or that is working, but this is not a target. Target right now for you to make a full application that will work. You will type it using these wonderful tools, right? And then you will understand, do you like it or not? So these will be your first steps. it can actually, you can see like 3 hours. Probably a week will be enough for you to have full applications locally on your machine, right? So you can start on Monday, watch some videos, understand, blah blah blah, and on the weekend you can start coding, right? Just 3 hours. Okay, 3 hours of listening plus working, it can be like a full day. Let's assume it can be 8 hours, like a full day, right? Full work day. So that will work. That is my suggestion. And you can understand, oh, I like it. I like how it's working. I like SwiftUI. I like Swift language. I think I will be a great iOS developer. And what next? You are going to wait my next video, right? Yay! Thank you so much. I hope you get some knowledge. Let's repeat our list. Of course, you need Apple computer. You need Xcode. You do not need Apple developer account for right now. You have to use developer.apple.com source to find right words of the visual components, right terms, and how to implement them. Then you can use Stack Overflow, right, to get more information. Then you need to pick framework and language, right? Short answer, Swift plus SwiftUI. Then you have to open YouTube for free, of course. Yeah, you will pay for your come on, you know. Let's assume it's free, right? We will talk about these details like electricity, internet is not free, right? Your time is super expensive, absolutely. So let's assume that for right now it's free, right? And on YouTube, based on the previous decision, point number 6, Swift plus SwiftUI, you will find right course. So, and this is your list for first steps. Complete it and return to this video and write something. Give me some advices from you, like, hey, I just did something and I'm so excited. Vasil, what's next? That is the best motivation for me. And of course, if you will you will ping me, right? You say, hey, Vasil, where is video? I need more knowledge. I want more, right? So, thank you. I hope it was helpful for you, for me, for my cat, for everyone. See you later. Have a wonderful week. See you in a week. Bye.